Here we go. This is Anubis The Ride at Plopsaland De Panne. It's a launch coaster and it's gonna launch us right away. So hold on. Here we go. And it's horizon lock, by the way. Here we go. Yeah! Woo! Woo-hoo! Wow! I like it today.
Nice.
Wow, it's so nice. Oh, it's good today. I didn't like it last time, but today it's really nice.
Shaky before, but it's not.
No,
It's not.
it isn't.
No.
Wow.
It's great.
That's a really good coaster. I know that when we were in Denmark at Forup, I said that their version of this is better than this. I think I changed it back.
Yeah.
I think I like Anubis more. This is so good. So good.